Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to logo WhatsApp in Android. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the settings. Here you can check all options. You will not find the logout option. To log out your WhatsApp, first, close the WhatsApp and open your mobile settings. Now, in the settings, scroll down and you will find Apps option. Click on it. Look for WhatsApp here. When you find it, click on it. Now, click on the Storage and Cache section. Here, click on the Clear Cache. After that, click on the Clear Storage and then click on the Delete. Now, open WhatsApp and you can see your WhatsApp has been logged out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.